It's a cool day before Thanksgiving. It's kind of rainy outside and windy. Great day to be in the shop, and today I wanted to show you something I'm working on. I want to modify some hive tools to be able to fit down in the frames a little bit better, so we're going to do that now. Okay, well, the hive tools that I like a lot are actually these standard little hive tools. Challenge is, unless you're working with a honey super, some of the honey supers and just supers in general will have these little metal guides. Check this out, show you what I'm talking about. If it has this little metal guide, then what it does is it keeps the frames far enough apart where these little ears aren't touching on the side of the frame. In that case, this works fine. Goes down, pushes, gives you leverage to pull the frame up. No problem. The real challenge is, well, just lost my thing in the middle. The real challenge is in a lot of boxes you don't have this guide, so these ears are touching, and you cannot get this hive tool down in there very easily, if at all. So what it ends up happening, you end up switching into something that's a whole lot more like this, so that you can come in, pull it up easily, or something like this that is similar as well. The challenge is some of these small ones are just a little bit harder to handle with gloves on and things, but I'm going to try to turn something like this into more of a, pointed edge. So let's do that. I have moved this grinder here where you can see it. This is a medium and fine grinding. I'm simply going to start grinding. Okay, I didn't mention this, but make sure you have eye protection and hearing protection. Try to save anything that you do have left in the ears. What this hive tool looks like now, based on what it used to look like side by side. You can tell this one's going to have a lot better ability to get down into that hive, still pick it up. I didn't lose any of the curve that's underneath here. If anything, gives you a very similar edge to something like this that gets you into the space. So you'd be amazed how much that little extra on here just won't allow you to get down into the hive. So anyway, give that a try, and it'll make you enjoy your experience a whole lot better. Get you in there where you can get those hive, those frames up a lot easier, and not pry on those frames as much. I had a failure with a frame not too long ago. You do not want that. So I would also tell you, make sure that your frames are glued together and not just nailed. I'm convinced the nail is just let the glue dry, so make sure that they're glued more than nailed. All right, if you like, subscribe.